Good morning, students. I am going to continue exercise 2.4, question number 4. Your question is, one of the two-digit number is 3 times the other digit. One of the two-digit number is 3 times the other digit. If you interchange the digits of this two-digit number and add the resulting number to the original number, you get 88. What is the original number? Means you find out the two-digit number. Clear? In this question, you have a condition that one digit is 3 times the other digit. This means you suppose question number 4, let tens place digit be x, then ones place digit is equal to 3x. Required two-digit number is equal to 10 into x plus 3x. In this step, I multiply the tens place digit by 10 and ones place digit by 1. Then you add these two digits, you get the two-digit number. Like if you have 34, you write it in expanding form, you write down 10 into 3 plus 4. This is the expanded form of 34. Like this, we are also written here. 10 into x means x is tens place digit, so this is multiplied by 10, and 3x is ones place digit, it is multiplied by 1. There is no changing. This means 10x plus 3x is equal to 13x. It is your original number or required number. After interchanging the digits, new number is equal to 10 into 3x plus x. You interchange tens place digit at ones place and ones place digit at tens place. You get 30x plus x, that is 31x. According to question, when you add these two numbers, you get 88. This means 31x plus 13x is equal to 88. 44x is equal to 88. X is equal to 88 upon 44, that is 2. This means required number is equal to 13x, that is 13 into 2, 26. It is your answer. Clear? 26 is a number which tens place digit is 2 and ones place digit is 6. In this relation, there is 6 is 3 times 2 and When you interchange this digit, you get 62, and 62 plus 26, you get 88. This is the requirement of your questions. Means our answer is correct. They follow all the conditions of the questions. Okay. Question number 5. Question number 5 is Shobu's mother's present age is 6 times Shobu's present age. Shobu's age 5 years from now will 1/3 of his mother's present age. What are their present ages? Means you find out the present ages of Shobu and Shobu's mother. This means you write down, let the present age of Shobu. Question number 5. Let the Shobu's present age be X. Then the Shobu's mother's present age is equal to 6x. Shobu's age 5 years from now. After 5 years, Shobu's age equal to x plus 5. According to question, x plus 5 is equal to 1/3, 1/3, 6x. Means x plus 5 is equal to 2x. Then you transpose this, you get x minus 2x is equal to minus 5, minus x is equal to minus 5, then x is equal to 5. Means Shobu's present age is equal to x is equal to 5 years, and Shobu's mother's present age is equal to 6x, that is 6 into 5, 30 years. These are your answers. Means Shobu's age is present age is 5 years and Shobu's mother's present age is 30 years. Then our next question is question number 6. Question number 6. There is a narrow rectangular plot reserved for a school in Mehuli village. The length and breadth of the plot are in the ratio 11:4. At the rate rupees 100 per meter, it will cost the village panchayat rupees 75,000 means 75,000 to fence the plot. What are the dimensions of the plot? In this question you find out the length and breadth of the rectangular plot. First of all, you write down, let the length and breadth of a rectangular plot be 11x and 4x. Let the question number 7. Question number 6. Let the length and breadth of the rectangular plot be 11x and 4x because their ratio is 11:4. And fencing cost is 75,000 and rate is rupees 100 per meter. Therefore, perimeter of the plot is equal to cost upon rate, that is 75,000 upon 100 means 750 meter. According to question, perimeter of the plot is equal to 2 bracket L plus B. This means 2 11x plus 4x is equal to 750. Means 2 into 15x is equal to 750 means 30x is equal to 750. X is equal to 750 upon 30. 3 25s means x is equal to 25. Then length is equal to 11x. 11 into 25, that is 275 meter. And breadth is equal to 4x, that is 4 into 2500 meter. These are answers.